And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys a few companies, not just one company, that can help you guys get approved for $1,000 or more in 24 hours. I know a lot of people have been asking about these personal loan companies, so I definitely wanted to come on here and show you guys these companies. I want you guys to double check the interest rate that these companies are going to charge you. That is going to be my warning to you all, because we're talking personal loans and we're talking about getting it fast. That means that they're probably not going to be checking credit for some of these companies, and they may try to charge you a higher rate. So the first one we're going to talk about is net credit. So it's credit to the people, basically. That's what they call it. You guys can check to see if you guys are going to be eligible for them. You can get up to $4,500. They also have mail-in offers. Maybe not mail-in offers. Maybe you guys got a letter in the mail saying, hey, we pre-qualified you or we pre-approved you for net credit. Definitely check it out, because you guys can get up to $4,500 with that one. Now the next one I want to talk about is Albert. So this is basically a cash advance kind of thing. So if you guys are interested in getting approved for this, I definitely suggest that you guys check it out. It's like an instant advance, no credit check. All you have to do is just add your email in there and join, and then they can actually instantly give you the money, as you can see right here. So definitely I suggest that you guys check this out. Now, again, everybody may not get approved, and that's why I have a lot of companies on here. So definitely I suggest that you guys check it out and see if you guys can get Albert. The next one I want to talk about is the Bridget. So this one you have to actually download the app. When you download the app, it's supposed to actually help you bridge. It's supposed to be like a bridge until you get your next paycheck. That's what it's supposed to be. You guys can get approved for advance in minutes, no credit check, and then no late fees too. So I definitely want you guys to check this one out. It can be a quick way to get some cash if that's what you guys are interested in. So definitely check this one out. The next one is the Spot Me with Chime. So Chime got this Spot Me thing where they can actually send you money, where they can actually spot you the money. Basically, it's kind of like how you were probably younger, what you probably doing it now, where you probably ask a relative or something, hey, let me hold this amount of money until I get paid, or let me hold it until this day. That's basically what this is supposed to be. It's kind of like some type of overdraft kind of coverage. And I know that some bank accounts have this, but everybody don't have certain bank accounts where you guys can do this. So this can be a great thing for you. So somebody left a review saying that it was great. It saved their life so many times. So I definitely suggest that you guys check out the Chime Spot Me. The next one is the Earnin. So the Earnin is actually an app that you guys will download. You guys can get up to $150 per day with a max of $750 per pay period. It's no interest, no interest at all, no credit check, and no mandatory fees too. So you guys can have access to the cash. Again, just download the app, and you can see right here they're comparing theirs to other similar apps, and also loans from friends too. So they're saying they have no interest at all. Short-term loans, they definitely have interest. Credit cards, they have interest. Is no impact to your credit score. The other ones is going to be a credit score hit, and then with your friends, it's just going to be a social credit basically, and then some other optional tips or no mandatory fees basically. So the other ones have fees, but this one does not have fees. So I definitely want you guys to check this one out. So you have to just basically do steps 1 through 3. So the first step is to set up and link your bank account. They have to verify your identity and your employment. Then next, you're going to get access to the money. As you work, you can transfer up to $150 per day with the max of $750 between paydays to the bank, and then no interest or no mandatory fees. So any earnings or optional tips are prepaid when your paycheck hits. So you don't have to worry about this actually charging you extra fees. So definitely check that one out. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Quick to Lend. So when I was doing research, I was trying to find a few more places that can do like same day loans, and possibly that don't have like a crazy annual fee. Now this one, they say the annual fee can range between 5.99% and then 35.99%. So I definitely want you guys to check this one out. And they have same day loans, so you can get between $250 and $3,000. All FICO scores are welcome. You guys can borrow from a time period of 3 months, 36 months, and then zero upfront fees or costs. So they're going to basically get you connected with a same day lender who would deliver funds today. So if this is something you guys are interested in, I definitely suggest you guys check it out. And also let me know in the comments whether or not you guys are getting approved for these companies, because I did a video previously about this and somebody did say that they were able to get approved for it. And I really appreciate when you guys definitely come back and let me know. That way I can show others the approvals, and that way they can decide on whether or not they want to do it. I went over these same companies. I'm just kind of, and I added some more to this one. But I think that you guys will be able to find something that you may be able to get approved for. And they said they was able to get approved for $8,000. So I definitely want you guys to check these companies out, but we're not done. Now, to get to $8,000, we got to talk about these credit card companies that have a higher limit. Okay, so the first one is going to be Upstart. So I definitely want you guys to check out Upstart. It's a pre-qualification, no hard inquiry. They have next day funding with this one, with no hidden fees ever. So they can pre-qualify you without hurting your credit score. So definitely check this out. The next one is Avant. So this one has personal loans. You can borrow between $2,000 and $35,000. Again, we was talking about just getting $1,000. Some people may want to get more than that, or maybe you didn't even think you can get more than that. And I'm telling you now that you can qualify up to $35,000 with this one. So go ahead and check your loan options. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and hopefully you guys will be able to get approved. The next one is going to be the SoFi. So I definitely want you guys to check this one out, because they can actually approve you up to $100,000, no prepayment fees or late fees, and then they have fast funding too. So you can review your rate in minutes, and then funds can be available as soon as the same day when you actually sign. So I definitely want you guys to check this out. It's going to be between $5,000 and $100,000. The next one is going to be MoneyLion. So MoneyLion has personal loans. They can offer you up to $100,000. So I want you guys to check it out. They ask you right here, like, how much are you looking to borrow? And then you can actually click right here where it says see my offers. A lot of these companies are going to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, which is amazing. You guys can always go to your bank, your credit union, and get a loan, but I wanted to make sure I show you guys some companies that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, because there's no point in keep getting hard inquiries if they're not going to give you no money. I just don't understand why would that even be fair. Now, the next one is OneMain Financial. Now, OneMain, a lot of times they do want you to put up your car as collateral. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. And they can actually pre-qualify you for a loan between $1,500 and $20,000. So you guys will be able to pre-qualify, see the offers with the fixed rates and the terms. Then you guys will be able to actually apply online fully, actually do the full application, and then you guys are going to get funding as soon as 1 hour after your loan closes. So definitely check this one out if you guys want to have another option. And again, this one up to $20,000. Now, last but not least, the next one is the Opportune. I definitely want you guys to check this one out. They have personal loans as an option, and again, this one can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I definitely want you guys to check this one out. So you can put the loan amount in here that you want to have. They have a calculator too, your loan calculator. So you could just put your estate in, and they can approve you between $300,000 and $10,000. This is going to be for bills, repair, debt consolidation, and more. So you guys can get fast funding. You can get it through direct deposit. So I definitely want you guys to check this out, and hopefully you guys get approved. If you all have any questions, definitely let me know. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Please come back and let me know if you guys are